Hey Siders, here's a fun fact about me. I love the Olympics. There's just something so exciting about cheering on athletes who have spent years training to represent their country and do incredible things on the world stage. I mean, I never watch curling during the year, but once the Olympics roll around, I'm all in. So I thought, why not combine my Olympic obsession with ASL? Now let's learn how to sign Olympics edition. In this quiz, I'll be quizzing you on famous Olympic athletes. Here are a few tips when reading names of people. Number 1, when fingerspelling first and last names, there's a slight pause in between the names to show a separation. Number 2, double letters can do two things. They can move out slightly or a small tap. For example, LL or MM. Number 3, you might be wondering if famous athletes have name signs. It's most likely they don't, unless they have some connection to the deaf community. Yes, there are some well-known people, like presidents, that do have name signs, but very few famous people have one. Now get a paper and pencil ready for famous Olympians. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. All right, are you ready for the answers? Here we go. Number 1, Simone Biles. Number 2, Michael Phelps. Number 3, Apollo Ono. Number 4, Chloe Kim. Number 5, Allison Felix. Number 6, Usain Bolt. Number 7, Jesse Owens. Number 8, Nadia Comaneci. Number 9, Carl Lewis. Number 10, Mary Lou Retton. How did you do? To take this lesson even further, practice fingerspelling these names yourself. Fingerspelling happens all the time, so it's great to continually practice it. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.